Welcome back to Aviva's Wonder Workshop, where we learn and explore together. I'm Aviva, and today we're heading to a vibrant and exciting place. Can you guess where? It's known for its amazing festivals, delicious food, and incredible rainforests. That's right, it's Brazil. This country is also famous for its lively music and friendly people. Brazil is the largest country in South America and the fifth largest in the world. It's home to a mix of cultures, languages, and traditions that make it a truly unique place to explore. Let's dive into a bit of culture. Brazil is called the land of samba because of its lively and rhythmic music. Samba dancing is a big part of Brazilian culture, and it's so much fun to do. And have you ever heard of capoeira? It's a unique mix of martial arts and dance that originated in Brazil. Let's move on to Brazil's nature. Brazil is famous for its diverse landscapes, from the Amazon rainforest, which is the largest rainforest in the world, to the architecture and colorful buildings, and the beautiful beaches of Rio de Janeiro. And did you know that the Amazon River is the second longest river in the world? It's full of fascinating wildlife and plants. Look at all these incredible animals. The Amazon rainforest is like a giant natural playground and is home to jaguars. Brazil is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth and even includes pink river dolphins, thousands of different bird species, and butterflies. Now, let's talk about some delicious Brazilian food. One popular dish is feijoada, a hearty stew made with black beans and various meats. Yum! Brazil has a rich history and is known for its iconic landmarks. One of the most famous is the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, which stands tall on Mount Corcovado and offers a stunning view of the city. It's one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Imagine hiking and climbing this mountain to the top. Brazil is also known for its incredible festivals. The biggest and most famous is Carnival, a huge celebration with parades, music, dancing, and colorful costumes. It's like the biggest party in the world, and everyone is invited. Here was a quick tour of the amazing country of Brazil. From its stunning rainforests and rich history to its vibrant culture and delicious food, Brazil is a place full of wonder and exploration. I hope you had a great time exploring with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure with Aviva's Wonder Workshop. See you next time, friends.